Alright, bitch. So I have a fairing for the bike. And this is the maiden voyage. It's not painted, nothing, not prepped, just out the box. The reason for that, testing it out, because these come with an optional windshield. You have to put the windshield on, you gotta drill holes. I don't want to prep it and paint it if I gotta drill holes later, so I'm just gonna run down the road and back and take y'all with me. Do a quick check on it when I get there, make sure it's not coming off. Hope for the best. This will be a permanent fixture on the Harley once it is squared away. I just fired her up, so I'm not gonna let her eat quite yet. This is just a buffet check. Watch how bad the helmet gets. Oh, I'm full throttle right now. She holds good at 108, so I'm not really getting any buffeting right this second. That's cool. Might mean I can save $100. I don't know what gear I was in doing that. But I think I was in, yeah, I don't know what fucking gear I'm in now. First, apparently. Oh yeah, this helps a lot. I've already noticed an increase in speed. For those of you wondering, how does a fairing help aerodynamics? It's less wind on me. I'm not a big parachute anymore. Still won't be a sport bike though. Well, maybe off the line. Maybe off the line. Not in a long haul on the highway. I mean, you know, distance-wise, maybe. I don't know. I think this gets the same gas mileage as my Honda. Oh my god, look at all that shake from the Harley though. Holy shit. Alright, let that truck go a little ways because I want to let it eat right here. Okay. Yeah, we're good. No buffeting at all. Oh my god, my voice. No buffeting at all. Not in the slightest. Fuck yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Do a quick little turnaround here. Piss off the fucking town hall, because fuck these guys. I'm not even going to check if it's tight or not. That's why I brought a wrench with. I think we're good. I think we're golden, my friends. Ah, big ass pothole. I'm gonna let her eat again, see what I can do. I fucking love letting this bike eat so much because it's a Harley. No one's gonna expect it to be fast on this bike. God, I love this bike so much. I've missed it. I love my Honda too, but this is like the OG Squid Squatch bike. Like, this is what I started my channel out on. Way back in 2020, 2019. Those are all private videos now because I used a really shitty camera and it does not hold up to the quality of today's videos in the slightest. So don't go looking for them. Because everything past I'm a real motovlogger now is all private. Because I didn't have a mic, but I still try to talk. So you just hear me yelling over the wind and shit, but this is a good addition. I like this fairing, it's nice. I had it on the shelf since last year. I really wish I put it on last year, but you know, we're out here balling now. Curious to see what the wind noise is going to look like on the GoPro, because that sits slower than the rest of my head. Not by much though. Carve this corner up really quick. Let's go. Still got another gear to go too. Woo! Alright, that was the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna pull in and get this bitch off so I can paint it.